Hello class, good morning, good afternoon, good day. Have you taken your breakfast, lunch or dinner? I hope you have do so before we start our lesson for today, because I do not want you to feel hungry. So hello, I'm teacher Veronica from SKM Pratek Chill, and our topic for today is tailor-made. Okay, this is in textbook, I think it's unit 9. So tailor-made. What should I wear? Okay, what should you wear for special occasion? Okay, here, what to wear for special occasion. This is in your textbook on page 104. So there is a conversation about attire that you can use or wear for special occasions. Special occasions such as wedding, birthday parties, or open houses for Hari Raya, for Christmas, for Chinese New Year, or for Deepavali. And special occasion also consists of festival celebrations such as Gawai Daya or Mooncake Festival. So here the conversation, they are talking about the attire that they can wear for these special occasions. Here they are mentioning about baju Melayu, lengha, skirt and blouse, and also cheongsam. So based on this conversation, okay, we can write information about this attire. For example, this is baju Melayu. Okay, I bet you have seen this before. This is a popular and well-known attire in Malaysia. Almost everybody in Malaysia have wear baju Melayu at least once. So, baju Melayu is a three-piece suit which consists of a long-sleeve shirt, trousers, and a samping that wraps around the waist. A songkok is worn on the head. So, baju Melayu is a three-piece suit, and it also has kain samping. Okay, kain samping pakai di pinggang tu, kain samping. And to complete that, you will wear a songkok on your head. So that is baju Melayu. This information is based on the conversation here on page 104. Besides baju Melayu, for special occasions, we can also wear lengha. So lengha is very beautiful. I think maybe you can wear it to weddings, okay? For birthday parties, I'm not sure, but for weddings or cultural festival, I think this is the most suitable. It's very beautiful. So lengha is a long skirt with a thick border at the bottom, which consists of a blouse with a short sleeves and a dupatta. Dupatta, yeah. If you don't know what dupatta is, you can Google it. I also have no idea, but I will Google it after this. The shawl is draped over the shoulder. So besides long skirt and blouses, it also has shawl. Yeah, shawl drapes over the shoulder. Ada selendang shawl ya, pakai selendang juga. Jadi baju ini sangatlah cantik. So this information about lengha is also from page 104. So besides lengha and baju Melayu, we can also wear skirt and blouse. Okay, skirt and blouse maybe you can wear to birthday parties, okay, for open houses like Christmas or Chinese New Year, and maybe for cultural festivals such as Gawai Daya. So skirt and blouse is really normal attire in Malaysia, okay. Besides skirts and blouse, we also have cheongsam. Okay, cheongsam. It's very beautiful, isn't it? Mostly worn by Chinese ladies. Okay, so we have cheongsam, we have skirt and blouse, we have lengha, and we have baju Melayu that we can choose to wear to special occasions. So for baju Melayu and lengha, the information from the conversation has been converted to this. So you know about the attire. So for skirt and blouse, and also for cheongsam. Okay, you have to write that on your own. Yang ini tulis sendiri ya, berdasarkan perbualan di muka surat 104 tulis maklumat mengenai skirt and blouse dan juga mengenai cheongsam. Okay, you can follow the example given for lengha and baju Melayu. It should be very easy for you, pretty straightforward. Okay, very easy and straightforward. So these all are the attire that you can wear for special occasion. All beautiful one. So this is the Malaysian attire. You can usually find it in Malaysia. Orang Malaysia memang selalunya akan guna baju-baju ini. But how about people in another country in Asia? Okay, how about another Asian country? So let's have a look. Okay, this is on page 105. Okay, there are 3 models from 3 different countries in Asia. Okay, we have model A, model B, and model C. Okay, model A is from Myanmar. Model B is from Korea. And model C is from Indonesia. And each country have their own special attire for special occasion. For example, model A from Myanmar, she is wearing a long yi. Okay, information are given here. Long yi is made of cotton or silk and is worn with fitted blouse and shawl. So, information are already given. The country, where are the model from, what are they wearing, and what is made of, and how to wear the attire. So, based on the information given, you will expand these short notes into a complete information about the attire. So, you can see your friend here. She's saying model A is from Myanmar. She is wearing a long yi. It is made of cotton or silk. Long yi is worn with a fitted blouse and a shawl. So based on the notes given, she has expanded it into this short paragraph about the attire. So model A has been given. Okay, the example has been given. So for model B and C from Korea and Indonesia, okay, the same information has also been given. What are they wearing, what it is made of, and how to wear the attire. So to make it easier for you, I have prepared this template. Okay, you just fill in the blanks with the information given for each attire. Okay, jadi ini tugasan yang seterusnya buat model B dan model C. So you know now that special attire that you can wear for special occasion is not only in Malaysia but also in Asian countries as well. Everybody have their own attire. So your task, okay, write this down in your exercise book, your composition, and also this. Complete this. Okay, this should be the first one. Okay, complete the information about skirt and blouse and also cheongsam. And then followed by this, already being given. Don't forget to copy this also. Salin ini dulu lah. Okay? Salin dulu baju Melayu, lengha. Lepas itu, baru buat skirt and blouse and cheongsam. Lepas itu sudah siap, barulah lengkapkan maklumat ini. So that is all for today. I hope you already know what to wear to special occasions. Thank you. Have a nice day.